You will be
So
famous
that's
in the
the new one,
Philippines.
Subscribe
guys.
to my YouTube channel.
Yeah,
Like, share, and follow.
correct.
It's more fun in the Philippines.
For foreigners, it's more stress in the Philippines. Not
Yeah.
fun.
More and more stress.
Sometimes things.
Ay! Ano yun? Dust?
Yes, ma'am.
Alam mo yung pintura?
Oh.
Ay, sorry. Devil paint, guys. Because it was wet the last time. And now it's dry, so
The
it's okay
problem
to
most
paint.
is the communication. That is the problem.
Yes, sir.
I want to see the engineer, so
Medyo mabaho lang, ma'am.
It's okay.
Konti
Gawin
kasi.
kasi ito mo, hindi mawawala kasi.
tinta.
Mabilis lang naman.
Kasi
Ilang oras mawala yung amoy?
mga 20 minutes lang kung wala na.
Okay.
Kasi kung di natin gagamitan yan, hindi siya hindi mag-work mo.
So, Cha, you need to have face mask. It smells, boss.
We need
When the
to
door open.
use gas mask. Overreacting.
Di, kasi may ano
I'm just
yan,
kidding.
problem sa heart.
Opo, ganun po talaga man pag nagkakaita.
Hmm.
Even my mom, wow.
Hmm.
Pero yan, ma'am, kung kita nyo, isang pahit lang siya.
Ah,
Yung iba kasi, ma'am, hindi alam nila yung sikreto.
correct.
They don't know how to use the trick.
Correct.
Ayan, ma'am, wala na, okay na yan. It's already done.
Wow,
go.
very quick.
Let's go to another
Salamat.
problem.